How to hide followers list on Instagram in public account. Launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. On this profile feed, tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap settings and privacy. Scroll down. Tap account privacy. Now toggle on the button for private account. Tap switch to private. And you need to note that we are not able to hide followers list on Instagram in public account because currently there is no any such tool that help us to hide followers list on Instagram in public account. Only when you have made your private account, then the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following list as well. It will be hidden. So by making the private account, we will only be able to hide our followers list on Instagram. Otherwise, we want on the public account. But there is an alternative way to hide any follower that we wish to on Instagram. That is, go back to the home screen of your Instagram and select any user that you wish to restrict. Suppose let's go to the chat page, tap on the particular chat here, or you can also tap on a whole particular chat, or else tap on it, open the profile, go to the option for three dots at right corner, tap restrict and tap restrict. Once you have restricted this account won't be able to see our followers list on Instagram. That's it. That's how we can do it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.